the sound. The sound of the DAC 1.5 is evident in its overall sonic presentation of the music. Whether you're listening to 44.1 files on your computer or even high-res formats, you will be rewarded with a very open, natural presentation. Other attributes that I heard of the Bel Canto DAC 1.5 sound was it doesn't put an artificial glare or brightness to the sound that we normally associate with lower priced digital products. This lended to a more ease of a presentation, a more musical presentation. It didn't have any of the high fatigue that lower priced digital products have. And this just lends more time for your enjoyment for a night of music. The noise floor, because of its better build quality and better power supply and better signal circuits, the noise floor is dramatically lower. And this really aids to the retrieval of low-level detail that you will otherwise miss with lower-priced digital products. So you may be asking, what are the shortfalls in its sonic signatures? I have identified a few, although they're not overall negatives just because of the price point of this DAC and its other overall compelling sonic signatures that I have described thus far. One being that it's a little bit darker in tonality. All this means to my ears was that it wasn't as dynamically engaging as I've heard other DACs. As other DACs that I have heard. It won't have you sitting at your edge of your seat. But that really isn't an issue just because of the price point of this DAC. Also, it won't have the pinpoint imaging of the industry's best. Of course, this is more of an entry-level product, so this can be expected. In addition, the resolution of this DAC, although it's excellent, again, falls a little bit short of what we would call the reference in the industry, say DCS or MBL and Wadia along those lines. But overall, this is a great product. It will reward you with tremendous sonic signatures that will just envelop you in your music even more and bring you closer to the absolute sound.